Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to add a new post. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. We are still inside the calendar tab. In order to create a new post, we can either click over here, create a new post, or over here on this button plus post. So let's first click over here, create a new post. This will open the creation panel as we can see over here. Then we can save the post in the calendar or in a post group, like so. We can select the social media profiles that are already connected to this account, either select them like so or click on this button to send to all the social media profiles. We can then add an image over here. We'll have to click on this button to upload the image. And then by clicking on the image, we can click over here to use in post. And we can see the image over here. Then we can post our caption over here, like so. We have the options to add emojis from over here and the option to shorten the URL. Then we have the option to send the post right now or by activating this toggle to schedule the post. Then we can click over here in order to select the date and an hour. I'm going to send it right now. So let's click on send now. Now we can see the post over here in the content calendar. The other option is to click over here on this button plus post. And you basically get the same panel as before. Either way, once you finalize and save your post, it will be added to your publishing schedule and shared according to your selected settings. As we can see right here, this post has been set. So if we are going to our LinkedIn profile, like so, and scrolling just a little bit, we can see the post over here. Until next time.